I'm Victoria Alvarez. I'm a business litigation associate based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I was born on American soil by way of a military base in South Germany, but the family that I'm closest to is of Puerto Rican descent. My mom was an immigrant to the United States, and I think the children of immigrants to the US have a lot of things in common, regardless of their race or ethnicity. And one of those things is parents with a single-minded focus on education. My mom never finished grade school, although she was somehow able to teach me how to read before kindergarten without really being able to read herself. Throughout my childhood, her constant refrain was that I would be a doctor or a lawyer. And I think that's because for immigrants, being a doctor or a lawyer is the epitome of education and respect. My grandmother told me that when she was growing up in the Bronx, she would tell her mother and her mother's friends that when she grew up, she was going to be a lawyer. But instead of supporting her, they would tell her that only rich people became lawyers and Puerto Rican girls from the Bronx didn't go to law school. So when I graduated from law school, even though my grandmother wasn't in the greatest health, she insisted on attending. My grandmother was a 5-foot pit bull, and she never hesitated to speak her mind. So now, if I'm in a hearing or in the courtroom or in a meeting, if I hesitate to speak, I think of her and I say it. I'm very involved in the American Bar Association. Last year, I received a presidential appointment to serve on the Commission on Women in the Profession, and this year I was awarded with an On the Rise Top 40 Young Lawyers Award. I'm also very active in the section of tort trial insurance practice. I am the chair of our Litigation Trial Practice Committee, chair-elect for women trial lawyers, and serve on the task force for our Leadership Academy, which selects a biannual class of diverse attorneys from around the country to learn about leadership and public service. I'm involved in the ABA because I think it's so important to be visible. When my grandmother was a girl, there weren't Latin attorneys. And now there aren't many Latin women who are partners in large law firms or in firm leadership positions. I'm confident that that will change, but until then, I think it's important to be visible and hopefully serve as a role model to others.